I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. I took my trip up to the north, yeah. Fatty bum bum, baby bum bum, this your bum bum, keep body like bum bum. Fatty bum bum, baby bum bum, this your bum bum, keep body like bum bum.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying to recreate a Pinterest hairstyle on my natural hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, definitely, stick around if you want to see more videos from us on this channel. We do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned after this video and go check them out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this hair tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this little hairstyle. Yeah, trying something new again today. So I'm gonna start by undoing this bun first. My hair was in braids, so it's already kind of wavy, so I think that's gonna help make the look look even better. So this is my hair. Okay, so you really don't need that much for this hairstyle. The main thing that you need is gel. I'm gonna be using the Shine and Jam just because I like it better. It literally sleeks my hair really well. A spray bottle, but you don't need it that much, just a little bit. And of course some rubber bands or hair ties if you have enough hair ties. I think I'm gonna be using rubber bands just because I don't have enough hair ties. All my hair ties are gone. So yeah, let me get those. So yeah, as I suspected, I'm gonna be using hair ties because I don't have enough black rubber bands. So I'm gonna be using rubber bands because I don't have enough black hair ties. So these are the rubber bands, and that's pretty much it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I'm going to try doing this as best as I can. So right down the middle. And you want the part to look as neat as possible. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm going to go ahead and part this section over here. So I'm gonna go right above my ear and just part it. So I'm basically doing a little section in the front, and the rest of the hair is just going to go back. So this is my first front section. I think the part is good enough. It doesn't need to be that perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so these kind of look good enough, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tie the back section just because I feel like I don't need it right now. So I'm just going to tie it so it's out of the way. Okay, so basically this hairstyle is inspired by a Pinterest hairstyle that I saw. I'm definitely going to leave it on the screen for you guys to see, and then you can tell me how I did. But basically, now that I have my two sections in the front, I'm gonna go ahead and section off in a triangular kind of section the front, just because this part is going to be the part that I twist. So you want these sections to look really neat. So it's kind of a big section, but it's good. I like it like that. Then I'm gonna part the same section on the other side and try and do an equal section. Okay, so now I have my two sections in front and I have my two sections in the back. And basically this is where the gel comes in. So So I'm gonna go ahead and start by gelling down the sections in the front just so I can twist them. So I'm gonna take a bit of my Shine and Jam gel and just literally put that on the periphery of that little section just so I can get all the hair in. So basically now I got all the hair for that section that I needed, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split it in two and start twisting the hair just in a normal twist. So it's very, very simple, and I'm gonna make sure I got all of the sections. Okay, and then at the end I'm gonna go ahead and twist it like this because that's what I always do. And I'm actually going to add a bit of gel so that it can like twist nicely. Not that much, just a little bit. Just like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I did forget to mention, like, if you want to kind of smooth the hair a little more, you can use a brush, either as a hard soft bristle brush or a like small edge brush, whatever you guys feel comfortable. Just because this is a small section, I'm not using a brush right now. So I'm not really twisting down like all the way, just because like as you can see this is so thin. So that's when I start twisting like this and then adding a bit of gel. Okay, so this is what these two sections look like. And yeah, so that's the first part. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put gel on the entire periphery of these sections and basically put them in little like space buns. So I went ahead and just did a little messy bun, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side basically. I'm not sure if the camera caught it because it stopped, but I'll show you guys another on this side, just so you guys can see how it's done. And as you can see, like I didn't add any water. You can if you want to, but I just felt like I didn't need to for this particular hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm gonna smooth in that gel with the hard soft bristle brush. And you know, just make sure that this section is really smooth. And then I'm gonna take my rubber band and like prepare it, and I'm gonna try and do like my little bun around the same place I did it on the other side. Okay, so something like this. And then I'm gonna like, oh, well, that broke. That's the only bad thing about like using rubber bands, they break so easily. So yeah, I try and do like 3 just because I want the base to be like kind of tight. Okay, so something like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and twist this a little bit and do kind of like a messy bun, kind of like on the other side. So this is what I have. And see, like I didn't need any like hair tie or anything, but you can put bobby pins if you want to. So now I'm gonna go in the back and just remove this little hair tie that I have and kind of fluff out this hair over here. So obviously my hair is longer than the girl in the picture, but I wanted to like try on my hair length just to see like how it looks, you know, for people that have like hair kind of around the same length as me. I love how this side is so thick and then this side is so like, it's like basically doing its own thing. I'm just going to go ahead and fluff these out a little bit, because like I told you guys, I have my hair in braids, so that always helps. Yeah, this side is definitely thicker than this side. It's always been that way. Okay, so this is like the best I can do, because this side of my hair is always thicker than this side, so sometimes like they look so different. I hate it, but it's just life, you know? So basically that's it. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my little brush and kind of just do like my edges. I don't really need to do them that much because I already kind of went ahead and took care of them when I was sleeking the hair. Okay, so basically this is the end. This is what like the hairstyle looks like, and as you guys can see, like it didn't take that much time, so I think it's like good for anyone and everyone that wants to do it. You can always like put a bandana, but I feel like my edges are actually okay, so I'm just gonna do it like this. But yeah, that's pretty much what the hairstyle looks like on my hair. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is what the hairstyle looks like on my natural hair. Comment down below what you guys think, and if you think it looks good on my hair, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know what other hair videos you would like to see, because I would definitely like to try new hairstyles on my hair. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
She be mine on level. She did on level. She be mine on level. Say she did on level.